Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Forsyth County, northwestern Guilford County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Walnut Cove, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Kernersville, Stokesdale, Walkertown, Foughtown, Stanleyville, Such Garden, Bellows Creek, and Bellows Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Forsyth, and Guilford. Flash flood warning remains in effect until